Kajing Snap ban pendap ya ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme kala penlong ya ka ban kiu ha kajing lot jing Snap ha ka ba ka sarkar jela kala ha ban mang pisatam sanrup san klo tingkal Menteri Ketanat PHI ubah renek ton lingdok tongkar ula pentip bakatanat kakwa ban pendap ya kani ke projek haswa ban kut uni usnem Henry na kajing ki jong kaklam covid kat khandai kani ke projek kala syak ta hadu kata-kata bat kumta kani ketanat kadang wat ya kilat kelenti ban pen klo ya kajing terai khnang ban yo pendap no ya ka Ubak renek ton lingdok tongkar ula pentip ru ba prapo nak sisma kakam la ban pendap bat ki basa menta kilong satang katukat ni kikam ki bakatanat kahap ban wat lat ban pendap ika hakapor balabu Kuman cupentip ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 kadon jing temu ban ai omba mumdi sakinong song snong jong ganong ba Shillong ya kani ke projek la temu ban pendap ha ujeliu jong unu usna bamenta bat kani ke projek la menjor dak sarkar pedeng ha ke jinglut ke bolong sispa khandai phulai pon sampok lo tingka ha urisau jong usna arja phra bat ke jing temu ban pendap ya kani ke projek kalong ha ujemang jong usna arja khatwei
We are still determined to complete within this year itself 2021 even though this pandemic has affected very badly, but we are still determined. Let's see how best we can manage to recover up the time lost due to this pandemic. Now I think it has crossed 80%. It has crossed 80% by now, the physical progress. You see, the practical thing is that we have to damage the road. So in many locations we have to cut the road and put pipe inside, and then it has to pass through this defense land as well, and then of course such a long way it has to cross many private land as well. So those are the problems which we have faced, but most of this problem has been solved. With defense also is there, but for that I'm telling that in case we don't get a flow, we can implement the scheme.
And so the delay has caused the cost to go up.
Yeah.
How much? By how much?
That's why 65 crores for which this government has sanctioned that extra amount.